Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Me. In today's session, into an important topic in C programming, file handling. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open and close files, read and write data, understand different file modes, and handle errors when working with files. Plus, we'll write some real-world programs to store and retrieve information. So let's get started. First, why do we even need file handling? Well, imagine you're using an application, and every time you close it, all your data is lost. That wouldn't be very useful, right? That's where files come in. Files let us store data permanently so that it remains available even after the program stops running. Opening and closing files. To work with files in C, we need to use a special data type called file. Think of it like a gateway to interact with files. Here's how we open a file. File pointer. File pointer equals fopen data.txt w. Fopen is a function that opens the file. The W mode means write, so if the file doesn't exist, it will be created. And if it does exist, its contents will be erased. Once you're done working with a file, always close it using fclose file pointer. This ensures that the file is saved properly and that resources are free. Reading and writing to files. There are multiple ways to write data to a file. The simplest method is using fprintf, which works just like printf, but writes to a file instead of the console. Here's a program that writes user input to a file. It includes stdio.h, int main, file pointer, char text 100, file point equals fopen output.txt w. If file pointer equals null, print error opening file n, return 1. Printf enter a message, f gets text, size of texts dn. fprintf file pointer sends s text, fclose file pointer. Printf message saved to file successfully n, return 0. Explanation. 1. We open the file in W mode. 2. If the file can't be opened, we display an error message. 3. The user enters text and we store it in text. 4. fprintf writes the text to the file. Finally, we close the file to save it, reading from a file. Now let's read the stored message back from the file using fgets. Include stdio.h int main. File pointer, char text 100. File pointer equals fopen output txt r. If file pointer equals null, printf error opening file n, return 1. fgets text, size of text, file pointer. Printf message from file sent text, fclose file pointer, return 0. Here, we open the file in R mode, read mode, and if the file exists, we read the text using fgets, then display it on the screen. Shashed file modes. C supports different file modes. R, read mode, file must exist. W, write mode, creates a new file or erases existing content. A, append mode, adds new data to the end of an existing file. R+, read and write, file must exist. W, read and write, creates a new file or erases existing content. A+, read and append. Error handling in file operations. When working with files, things can go wrong. Maybe the file doesn't exist, or there's no permission to access it. That's why error handling is important. To check if a file was opened successfully, we use pointer equals null, print error opening file n, return 1. This prevents crashes and allows you to handle errors gracefully. Real-life example, storing employee details. Let's say we want to store employee records in a file and then display them. Here's the program. C include stdio.h, struct employee, char name 50, int age, float salary, int main, file pointer, struct employee emp, file pointer equals fopen employees.txt. If file pointer equals null, print error opening file n, return 1. Printf enter employee name, scanf sent s emp.name. Printf enter employee age, scanf sent d and emp.age. Printf enter employee salary, scanf sent f and emp.salary. fprintf file pointer s sent d and emp.name at age emp.salary. fclose file pointer. Printf employee details saved successfully, return 0. This program 1 opens employees.txt in append mode A so that new records are added instead of overwriting old ones. 2 takes user input for name, age, and salary. 3 saves the details in the file using fprintf. Now let's read the stored employee details. E includes stdio.h. Struct employee, char name 50, int age, float salary, int main, file pointer. Struct employee emp, file pointer equals fopen employees.txt r. If file pointer equals null, print error opening file n, return 1. Print employee details n. While fscanf file pointer sent stemp.name and mp.age and emp.salary, pref sense age sent d, salary f.2 array, fclose file pointer, return 0. This program reads and displays all stored employee records from the file. And that's it for file handling in C. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code with Me for more amazing tutorials. See you in the next one.